WinMix. Raw material selection, updated search. In this video, we will show you the updated search function in the raw material selection dialog. Open the raw material selection dialog. At the top of the window, you will find the search field. The search now works in filter mode. If you enter any sequence that should be present in the name, you will get a list of all raw materials that contain that text in their name. If you enter a sequence from a number, you will get all raw materials that contain that sequence in their number. The same works for the article. Enter any sequence from the article, and you will get all raw materials that contain it in their article. The search works across all columns. You can see that the entered sequence is found both in the name and in the number at the same time. To switch back to the search mode without filtering, click the button and select Search. In this mode, you will see all elements, both found and not found, without filtering the list.